Upgraded DSP chip metallic detector which improves search variant sensitivity, vastly conducive to detecting effectivity. There are numerous items accessible to metal detectors. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best metal detectors from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. SunPow Metal Detector for Adults. 36.23 to 47.23 top adjustable valve stem is appropriate for youngsters and adults. You may take pleasure in detecting pleasure along with your youngster at residence, or pack it up for simple journey to any of your favorite treasure-looking spots. Our Skull Metallic Detector package is upgraded with DSP chip, which has greater sensitivity. In all metallic mode, it may well detect a depth of 10 inches, which is 2 inches deeper than different metallic detectors. This metallic detector makes use of the newest built-in circuits to enhance the effectivity of the chip algorithm, and won't trigger the goal to be misplaced, due to your detection charge is just too quick. It has a really robust anti-interference, in order that it may be extra exact and extra environment friendly within the detection course of. The 10-inch giant search coil ensures your detection effectivity. IP68 waterproof know-how lets you carry out shallow water detection. Number 2. Pankey Metal Detectors for Adults. Waterproof. Upgraded DSP chip metallic detector which improves search variant sensitivity, vastly conducive to detecting effectivity. Is so highly effective it may well find 1/4 coin as much as 103 underground. It will probably discover bigger objects at even larger depths. Pankey Adults Metallic Detectors has 5 distinct modes, let you successfully seek for the specified metals. All metal mode, disc mode, memory mode, jewelry mode, pinpointer. We're geared up with a full array of equipment, and you can begin your treasure hunt as quickly as you open the package deal. Pankey IP68 waterproof metallic detector allows you works effectively in shallow water. Excellent for seashore, stream, and wet day. Which implies which you can freely dive with it and discover treasures hidden from the eyes of the bulk. Metallic detectors might be simply cleaned and safe. Beware. The management field is just not waterproof. Number 3. OMO Metal Detector for Adults. OMC011 Metallic Detector has 4 distinct modes that make you possibly can optimize from in detecting metals. DISCRIMINATION Deselect the metallic you don't need. On this mode, the unit comes with auto floor stability. New OMO Metallic Detector with a pointer display screen to show. It's extra handy which you can see the detection mode, sensitivity stage, and battery situation. When the metallic goal is discovered, the meter pointer swings to the proper. Rotate to change counterclockwise to off to show off the unit. Rotate it clockwise away from off to activate the unit. If you rotate the sense from 0 to 10, the sensitivity is progressively elevated. Don't fret concerning the size of the stem. The gold and silver metallic detectors from 30 inches to 43-inch adjustable stem, appropriate for various top individuals. With the easy pointer show design, that is an incredible metallic detector for adults and children. The RS design lets you save extra effort, extra snug and fewer worrying. Let's begin your treasure hunt with the beautiful OMO metallic detector. Number 4. DR. OTEC Metal Detector for Adults Professional. This adults metallic detector is a thrilling new addition for each professionals and fans. Provides 5 upgraded modes together with pinpoint mode, all metallic, discrimination, reminiscence, and jewelry. Revolutionary reminiscence mode lets you solely detect one metallic kind that you really want. Find precisely what you need in far much less time. 9.83 wide search coil is so highly effective it may well find 1/4 coin as much as 103 underground. This waterproof metallic detector can discover bigger objects at even larger depths. The coil is IP68 waterproof and works effectively in shallow water. With 5-level sensitivity, you possibly can modify the sensitivity to counteract some interference components and discover the goal sooner. Spend far much less time detecting, whereas discovering extra thrilling treasured metals and vintage artifacts. Number 5. Tilswell Metal Detector Professional for Adults and Kids. There has some components are more likely to intrude with the right sign from the metallic detector. 1. Don't put the machine on the ground. Trigger many of the constructing flooring has a lot metallic embed. 2. Not steer to make use of it indoors. Giant home equipment can even intrude with metallic detectors. 3. In case you use it open air, keep away from extremely mineralized soil, locations with metallic waste. In case you carry a digging instrument, please additionally place it a bit additional away from the metallic detector if you end up detecting. Metallic detector has distinctive audio tone, a low tone, a medium tone and an excessive tone displayed on the icon that may distinguish completely different metals. Disc modes helps you get rid of gold classes and enhance your detecting effectivity. Tilswell metallic detector with ergonomic design deal with, offering a cushy really feel for long-term use of it. Adjustable stem extending from 35 to 45 go well with for all age metallic detector fans, and it weighs 2.35 kilos solely. An ideal present for teenagers and adults in treasure looking, particularly in Christmas.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.